with Apollo, you've got this remarkable story of people who took on a very challenging job, did some amazingly courageous and daring kinds of things. What leadership lessons did we see in all that? What did they do? How did they do it? It's things like leaders teaching leaders.
The leadership lessons that you learn in one are very applicable to the others. NASA is focused very much on the mission that they're doing, just like a business is focused on what it is that they're in the business to do.
It's a story of high drama and high risk. It's a story of innovation, and it's a story of human achievement. And we can draw from that the leadership issues and then analyze them so that then we can dissect them and apply them to businesses today.
Yeah, one of the really special things we do, I think, is we get access to the unique places where the Apollo program took place.
We're able to go places where you can't go as a tourist. We're able to get speakers that don't normally talk to the public and to get their insights into leadership and how those events and how those things really happened.